Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I was making a video and I don't know what happened. My camera collapsed. It shut down and then I lost the video. So I was making a video on how I did a video tutorial on how it would work the Lion brand Scarfie on a Sentro, and I was 100% pleased with the end result using these ear plugs that I purchased from Amazon. They're not cheap though. So I did it 3 times. It did not work. I kept on losing stitches and tuck stitches and so on. So what I did is I put let me just show it to you. I put the same thing. I don't want to move the camera so it won't. So I put the same thing here. It's just like a earwax. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I will put the link. I will pin it. Like I purchased this and it's so good. Like it works fantastic as soon as I put it. Even on the Addi. Well, I've always had a trouble with this Addi. It came broke. I opened it. I did the unboxing. And it's really hard to find a good yarn to work with on the Addi knitting machine. So this is fantastic. I would highly recommend this. It's not cheap though. But my husband, he took the two and he puts it in his ear so he won't hear the loud sound where he works. And I put one on my Sentro and I put one on here. So I still have 6, 7, 8 left. So I would highly recommend this. This works like a charm. I tried everything. I tried the fabric softener. I tried everything. I tried weights. This is fantastic. So after trying 3 times, as soon as I put the ear plug, I finished one of this gorgeous hat. So with the remaining, I'm going to continue knitting with the Addi knitting machine. And it just works like a charm. That's all I can say. It is just fantastic. This is just fantastic. And it's double layer. No tucks. Look at the knitting. Look at the knitting. Can you see the texture? No loose ends. No tucked stitches. It's just fantastic. It looks like hand knitted. And I did it in a short period of time. Okay, so I bought this at Michael's. I used the 30% off coupon, so that helped. I couldn't find any of this yarn at Walmart because the shelves were empty. So with the remaining, I'm going to continue knitting and make it a scarf. So there's still on the hat, I knitted total of 105 rows, and I put my label here. UFAT, UFER is my logo. U is for my husband's first alphabetic, and my FER is mine. Yeah, and it fits me fantastic. It's super soft and I just love it. So 105 rows and it worked like a charm. Okay, so I wanted to try this yarn. There was a sale clearance going on at Michael's today, so this was like $14.99. It was on sale for $8.99. So I wanted to knit this with this because it's super soft and this is perfect for the homeless. So I am going to be knitting a scarf. I tried it 3 times and again tucked. Addi knitting machine does not like this yarn. I haven't tried on the Sentro yet, but yeah, my Sentro is already busy. So again, I used this ear thingy and it worked like a charm. Oh, it just knits up so nicely. And the yarn is super soft. So I just want to point out, it says it's a 4-weight. It has 240 gram. I'm hoping to get at least 2 scarves from this yarn for $8.99. Yeah, from 14.99, and this was the only one left, so I grabbed it. That's what it says here. I checked it online. They don't have it, anything for this brand for sale for some reason. So I did get a good price. Yeah, I just love it, love it, love it. And it feels like it's those fleece, fabrics that you cut. That's what it feels like. It doesn't feel like it's yarn, but I don't know. It just turns fantastic. Well, the knitting is fantastic. So I got this idea. I put it in here, and I'm pulling as I'm going. So I'm trying to knit half of it at least, and I will weigh it and see, and I will knit the rest of the half of it. While I was waiting on the there was a lineup at the cashier, and there was only one cashier open at the Skyview Michaels in Edmonton. This girl, she was waiting, and she was saying, "Oh, did you knit your cardigan? Did you knit your gloves?" And I said, yes. Your hat too?" And I said, "Yes." She goes, "I love your hat. I did a tutorial on how to knit the Grinch hat with the pom-pom, first time making the pom-pom, and I just loved it how it turned out. She loved it too. I just took it off from my head and I gifted it to her. I said, I only wore it twice, so it's clean, it's not dirty. She says, "Oh no, thank you." She wanted to pay me. I said, "No, happy holidays." So she was happy. The face that she was so happy. So while I was driving at the light, there's homeless people, beggars. I don't know. They're begging for money. So I always keep hats in my car, just to give it away. And I had the same hat on my head. I put because when you take off your hat, your head gets cold, especially when it's -20 here. So I put another hat on my head right away. It's nice to have these knitting machines. I can just tell you that it's so good. So always keep hats and scarves in your car. You never know what will happen. Oh, you had to see the guy's face. He was so happy as soon as I handed him the hat. That face I would never forget in my life. He was so happy. And I said, he said, "God bless you." I said, "Oh, happy holidays. Have fun." He said, "I'm putting it on my head right now. The other one is dirty." And I felt so happy. I don't know. That feeling. Yeah, I just wanted to share you this story today. It's so happy to make people happy. When you make people happy, you're happy, right? So I just wanted to share how nice and smooth this goes. I would highly recommend. I know it's expensive, but there's 12 in it, you know. I noticed that too, another thing, because when I was changing the yarn, this does get dirty. Just to point out, I want to show you. So it does get dirty. Maybe, I don't know how many times you can use this. So I did the hat. Now I am working on the scarf. I had to make a knot, so I had to remove this because it came off with a knot and I didn't see it. So I had to cut the yarn and I had to remove this. So this is not for lifetime. I think, I don't know how many times you can use this, but this is just a great, brilliant thing that helps. Yeah, so I'm just going to stuck this back here and continue knitting. Just love it, love it, love it, love it. So I highly recommend. Christina, I know we've been chatting with you that she was trying. Christina, she's one of my followers, and we messaged each other, and she wasn't happy. She had a terrible yarn. She was trying to knit mittens. I know this is expensive, but I would highly recommend. At least you can use it 12 plus times, I guess, because of there's 12 in it. Yeah, just wanted to share this and just give you an update on the Addi knitting machine comparing to the Sentro. I don't know, I'm not happy with this one. And I wouldn't recommend, well, every machine is different. That's another thing. It's your luck, right? I guess that's another thing. If you are lucky, you get a good machine. If you're not lucky, like me, I'm really happy with my Sentro, and I'm not happy with the 22 that I bought as well, the Addi 22. Yeah, but I want to try that one as well. I will make a tutorial, a video, because I'm planning to make leggings. Yes, you heard it, leggings, but I need to knit the rest because of the increase. I can't make increase on the 22 because I need to increase the more you knit, the more you go up, right? Okay, so I just wanted to give you an update. I made a hat with this gorgeous Scarfie Lion brand, and I'm just going to continue knitting with this beautiful leftover yarn, 2 balls, so you can make a scarf and make a beautiful hat. And this yarn, yeah, check for the sales definitely. And then we'll talk soon. You guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Yeah, it goes nice. Really nice. No tucks, nothing. I'm really happy with this. Yeah, I will put the link for Canadians, of course. In America, it's cheaper, I think. $13, maybe less. Yeah, here in Canada, everything is expensive, and it's really, really hard to find. Yeah, you guys take care. Happy knitting. Happy crocheting. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.